Hi guys, Namaste. Welcome to AnkiNish Creations. Today I'm sharing compilation of 4 Mother's Day craft ideas. Hope you will like them. Starting with the shell greeting card, I'm folding up a cardstock paper like this, and then I'm taking 2 different sizes of shells and sticking them onto the paper with some hot glue. Next, I'm using a black fine tip pen to make the bodies of these flamingos and also to write my text, and then our cute, simple, beautiful card will be ready. If you want to make a wall art like this, you can also try the same thing on a canvas or a cardboard and it will be a beautiful wall art. Next, I'm sharing this custom mug painting which is waterproof. For this, I'm using this plain mug and this ceramic liquid paint, and I'm going to follow the instructions given on the back side of this paint packet. So starting with a erasable marker, it's a normal sketch pen. I'm drawing 3 lines so I know where to start painting, and then I'm using my ceramic paints to draw my design. I'm just making 3 vertical lines and I'll draw a few colorful hearts on top of it, and then I'll write my text with the same paint below these hearts like love you mom, and after that I'll let this paint dry completely for about 24 hours. Now we can put this mug in the oven to make the colors permanent. So I'll bake it at 140 degree for 30 minutes. And once it's out of the oven, let it cool down completely before handling and let it sit for 24 hours before washing it. And now I'll show you how colors are staying permanently even if I am rubbing it with soap and water. You can do whatever design you like on the mug. You can write your mom's initial on it, or you can write your both initials on it and make it as custom as you like to be. And yeah, it could be a very functional and useful gift for your mom on this Mother's Day. Next, I am showing you this canvas wall art which you can make very easily. So take a straw and acrylic paint and then blow it on the canvas randomly. Take as much colors as you want to make it as colorful as you like, and it will create a beautiful colorful background. And then I'll make some border around it and I'll use some permanent markers to write my text on top of it. You can use whatever color and design you like to write on top of it, and you can also make the same design on a greeting card and give it to your mom. Lastly, I'm sharing this feather greeting card with you all. So for this, I'm using this decorative feather and sticking it on a card. Next, I'm applying some glitter 3D Fevicryl liner and spreading it out with a dry brush. And next, I'm writing my text and highlighting it with Sakura Jelly Roll Moonlight pens and also highlighting some design with it. And then I'm applying the same 3D glitter liners and spreading it out all over the card and making some more design with white gel pen, and we are ready with this beautiful glittery card. I hope you have liked this compilation of Mother's Day craft ideas which you can make on this Mother's Day. And yeah, comment down below your thoughts on it. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you soon. Bye. Love being creative.